I bet you didn't know that fire escape certification can be a breeze. Ready to learn the essential steps? First off, inspections usually kick off with a request from city officials, also known as AHJs. AHJs may require a load test. Make sure your inspector is a registered architect, licensed professional engineer, or a certified fire escape inspector. Now the inspection itself. The pro will examine the entire fire escape, taking photos and documenting everything. Expect a detailed report that covers all 25 components of the system. Costs. A typical inspection runs between $500 and $1,500 with certification if it passes the inspection. Remember, no free inspections, you get what you pay for. Next, for older fire escapes, rust removal and internal connection repair are crucial. Always follow local codes and get necessary permits for any work. Finally, ensure your inspector has the proper licenses and insurance. And don't forget about recertification, especially for systems over 75 years old. That's it. Now you're ready to get your fire escape certified. Stay safe and keep your buildings compliant.